In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Edge spell check not working. First, let's begin by opening Microsoft Edge. You can do this by locating the Edge icon on your desktop or in your taskbar. If you don't see it there, you can also find it in your Start menu. Once you click on the icon, the browser will launch and you will be greeted with your home page. This is the starting point for resolving your spell check issues. Ensuring that you are in Microsoft Edge is crucial because the settings we will adjust are specific to this browser. Next, we need to access the settings for Microsoft Edge. To do this, look towards the top right corner of the screen. There, you will see 3 horizontal dots. Click on these dots. This will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option labeled Settings. This is the gateway to a variety of configurations that can enhance your browsing experience. By navigating to Settings, you can customize many features, including languages and writing assistance, which are key to fixing the spell check issue. Now we are going to go directly to the Languages settings in the address bar. Type in edge-settings/languages and press the Enter key. This action takes you straight to the Languages section of the Settings menu. Here, you can manage language preferences for Microsoft Edge. It's important to get to this specific section because the spell check feature is closely tied to the language settings. You want to ensure that the correct languages are set up for your spell check functionality to work properly. Once you are in the Languages settings, look for the section labeled Writing Assistance. Within this section, you will find options related to spelling and grammar checks. This area is essential because it contains the tools you need to enable spell check. If this section is not correctly configured, your spell check might not function as expected. You are now just a few steps away from resolving the issue. Under Writing Assistance, there are 2 options that need to be enabled. First, locate the toggle for Use Writing Assistance. Click on it to turn it on. You should see the toggle switch change color, indicating that it is now active. This setting is crucial as it allows Edge to provide real-time spelling suggestions while you type. Having this feature enabled will significantly enhance your writing experience in the browser. Next, find the toggle for spell check. Just like before, click on it to enable this option as well. This action ensures that Microsoft Edge will check your spelling as you type, highlighting any errors. When both of these options are turned on, you can expect a more seamless writing experience. This small adjustment can save you a lot of time as it helps catch mistakes before you submit your work. Now that you have enabled both settings, you might want to test if spell check is working. Open a new tab and try typing something. If everything is set correctly, you should see some words being underlined in red, indicating spelling errors. This visual cue confirms that the spell check feature is now functioning properly. It's always good to double check after making changes to ensure everything is working as intended. If you follow these steps correctly, you should have successfully fixed the spell check issue in Microsoft Edge. Remember, keeping your browser settings optimized is key to enjoying a smooth online experience. Thank you for watching and happy browsing.